Here the given integral is 0 to infinity x to infinity e power minus y by y. If you observe the limits are 0 to infinity, another x to infinity. That means these are y limits. Strictly to say, not here dx dy, we have to write down dy dx, because the y limits in terms of the variable x, y limit in terms of the variable x. So with respect to y, we have to do the integration first by keeping x a constant, and the resultant is with respect to x. So first we do with respect to y integration according to the given limits. But here the problem is, evaluate this double integral by changing the order of integration. They ask, for this integral, change the order and later do the integration. Changing the order means, actually according to given limits, first we have to do with respect to y and later with respect to x. That is the order of integration. But they ask change the order means, first do it with respect to x and later with respect to y. But to do with respect to x, these limits are not useful. Here given limits, given y limits from x to infinity, and these becomes x limits. So x limits are from 0 to infinity. So these are the given limits. According to these limits, we have chance to do first with respect to y integration. But they ask change the order. That means do it integration with respect to x. But to do with respect to x, these limits are not useful. And that's why we have to identify the limits for x. How to do means, first note down the given limits. These are the given limits. From this we will get y equal to x, y equal to infinity. From this one, x 0, x equal to infinity. So corresponding to these limits, identify the region of integration. Means equivalent to these limits, identify region of integration. Y equal to x. Y equal to x means is a line passing through origin, straight line. Y equal to x. Y equal to infinity means along y-axis infinity. Y equal to x means this line. Y equal to infinity means up to infinity. X 0 means y-axis. X 0. X equal to infinity means extend x-axis this side. X 0 means y-axis. X infinity means all this part. Y infinity means this part. And y equal to x means this one. Now identify region of integration which represents these limits. Means this one. Y. The above part. You will get confusion. Is this part region of integration or this one? What are the limits here? Y limits we have. Means in the region of integration, by taking vertical strip, you got those limits. So consider one vertical strip. If you take vertical strip in the region of integration, vertical strip first end touches y equal to x. So y limits are from x to, it is infinity. So y limits infinity. And along x-axis, this region of integration varies from 0 to, by extending x-axis, y-axis, in the same way y equal to x also extends. So x from 0 to infinity. So clearly by taking in the above vertical strip, you got these limits. Up to now what we did means, we didn't change the order, just we identify region of integration which is equivalent to these limits. So after identifying that region, by taking vertical strip, we got these limits. Okay. Now in the same region of integration, by taking vertical strip you got these limits. So this diagram interprets the given limits. Now our aim is to change the order. That means take horizontal strip in the given region of integration. Clearly horizontal strip first end touches y-axis. For y-axis equation is x0 to x0 to another end touches the line y equal to x. From that x means y. So these are becomes x limits. Now we require y limits. For y limits, see along y-axis. Along y-axis, region of integration varies from 0 to infinity. So by changing order of integration, the double integral becomes x limits are from 0 to y limits 0 to infinity. Limits are from 0 to y and y limits 0 to infinity. Function under the integral is e power minus y by y. Now we got x limits in variables, so with respect to x integration and later with respect to y. So by changing actually according to these limits we have to do with respect to y integration and later x. According to these limits, that is the order, but they ask change the order, means our aim to do with respect to x integration. For that one, these limits not useful. That's why first we identify region of integration which are equivalent to these limits. So corresponding to these limits, we identified a region of integration. These are y limits. That means by taking vertical strip in the region, you got these limits. Now we require x limits first of all, so that we have chance to change the order. That means if we have x limits in terms of variables, we have chance to do with respect to x integration. So to get x limits, what we have to do means in the same region of integration, take horizontal strip. Identify horizontal strip first end touches y-axis. Its equation is x0. So x limits are from 0 to another end of the vertical horizontal strip touches the line y equal to x. From that x is y. So x limits is 0 to y. Now we require y limits. To have y limits, see along y-axis. Region of integration along y-axis varies from origin to infinity. So at origin y value 0, so to infinity. So by changing order of integration, you got like this. Now do it with respect to x integration. So while doing with respect to x integration, y constant. So e power minus y by y constant. Integral dx x. X limits 0 to y dy. Here y limits are from 0 to infinity. To y limits. So integral e power minus y by y. In place of x, upper limit y minus 0. So you will get y dy. Y limits are from 0 to infinity. So integral e power minus y dy. So minus e power minus y. Integral e power minus y. Limits 0 to infinity. E power minus infinity minus e power minus 0 minus 0 minus 1. So 1.